Hi, welcome back to the Sublistar channel here. When you buy any kind of DTF printing machine from Sublistar company, you will get a Maintop RIP software from the package. And today, we will make this video to show you how to install this RIP software and how to use this software to rip your graphic for the DTF printing machine. So okay, let's move to our computer. In the package, you will get a USB dongle and a CD. First, insert the CD into your computer. These files are included on the CD. Double-click the Setup to enter the Maintop DTF screen. Select Restart Now, or you can select Restart Later, and then click Close. After restart your PC, the Maintop software installation is completed. You will find the icon on your desktop. If it's not displayed on your desktop, you can also find it from your Start menu. And send a shortcut to your desktop. Insert the Maintop dongle into the USB collector of the PC. Now we click Maintop icon on your desktop to enter the Maintop software. Next, we do Printer Setup. Click File, Printer Setup. Click Install option. Click Custom option. Find your printer driver. For the demonstration, the printer is Sublistar DTF 602 Pro Max. So I set the file and then click Open. The screen returns to the printer setup. Click Set as Default Printer to set the print model you selected as the default printer, and then click OK. After click OK, the process of the printer setup is completed. Next, we do RIP. Click File, New in the screen. Set your print media size here. Because DTF 602 Pro Max printing width is 16 centimeters, so I set the size 580 millimeter with 1000 millimeter length. Click OK. Click Import Image icon to select your job. Click Open. Right-click the image and select Frame Attribution option to set up the image size. After input your size, must click the Constraint Proportion option and then click OK. Click Show Metric Panel icon to set up the image XY position. Click Print icon. Click Properties. Click Auto Set Paper. And then click OK. Select Mirror Printing. Click Print to File. It will be done when the progress bar reaches 100%. Then you will get a file with the suffix PRN. Next, we do Print. Double-click to open the Print Control software. Select a file just ripped by Maintop. Click to print. Any other questions, please contact with Sublistar team. Thanks for watching.